Inilatag sa pangalawang cabinet meeting na pinamunuan ni Pangulong Duterte ang mga hakbang bilang paghahanda sa La Nina. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Ernesto Abella, kabilang dito ang pagtatalaga ng mga individual, kabilang na ang security personnel at health workers na re-responde sa mga lugar na naapektuhan ng kalamidad o bagyo. Tinalakay rin ang planong relocation para sa mga informal settlers.
Some things were taken into consideration during the meeting. Number one is the National Disaster Risk Reduction. And there's some things were taken into consideration. For example, prioritizing security personnel and health workers to be sent as first responders to calamity-damaged areas. There were also plans to preposition ships in a safe place near the path of the typhoon to readily respond to crisis.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.